In this video we'll show you how simple it is to create an order in Sage 50 and dispatch it using Barscan 50 Warehouse Management. Barscan makes the process straightforward. In this case we're going to generate an order using Sage 50. Alternatively, if you have Sage integrated with either an e-commerce site or a sales app, your orders will automatically appear on your sales order list. Once the products have been allocated to the order, typically you would go through the manual process of printing your picking list, picking your order while writing it on a physical copy, and when you return to the desk you dispatch your order and print your dispatch docket. Then you update Sage and generate your invoice. With Barscan it's much simpler. When the order has been generated on Sage, you can simply use your Android handheld scanner to open the order directly without any paperwork. Then you can scan the products to pick your order if you so want. You can opt to auto dispatch the order upon picking, and by the time your staff get back to the goods out area the dispatch docket has already been printed. In this case we'd like to ensure that the goods have been checked again by following the dispatch process on the handheld. But first let's pick that order. Then we'll dispatch the order. Once we complete this, a docket will be printed off to go on your goods or your pallet, while in Sage 50 your order has been instantly updated and your invoice ready to print off or email to your customer. You can even set Barscan up to send an email upon dispatch to your customer to let them know their order is on its way. If you are working with a courier such as DPD, you can set it up to link directly to the DPD software, printing your label and informing DPD to pick up. If you'd like more information on Barscan 50, please contact us on the information provided.